Good morning. The day opens like a quiet secret, with the sky holding whispers only you can hear. The light of the morning reminds you that even through shadows, blessings still find their way to you. Start with a smile and carry it with you, for it holds more power than you realize. Notice the small moments that bring peace and light to your day, and let them guide you forward. Every step and choice matters, shaping the path that is meant for you, and right now, you are exactly where you need to be. Wishing you a wonderful day.